Look at the time. This bit of paper is after the point of payment.
Can you give him your email address and mobile? But they said they're gonna sort it for you if you provide.
They're not going to sort it. It's not in time. Right. Are you going to refund this now or not?
I'm not going to refund that.
Right. Are you going to replace? Are you going to replace it now? Listen to me.
GoPro, sir.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Is this to be done by
Right.
you guys, right?
This receipt here on this video,
This has to be
right?
done by GoPro, right?
It doesn't have to be done by GoPro because of UK law.
I'm saying that
They
this
don't
has
want
to be done by GoPro, right?
No, stop walking away. Hello? Can you stop walking away?
He's gonna set up a support case.
Right. Give me the phones.
He's gonna swap the camera out for you if you provide your mobile number, email address. Please, sir,
Give-
don't make us that difficult.
You're making it difficult. You keep walking away from it. Can you give me the phone? I've got an
I'm
appointment.
not gonna give you the phone. You have spoken to it already. Now you are
Right,
wasting my time.
okay.
Please, if you can
Right.
give me your support number.
You and your manager Rio are going to get sued, and I mean it.
Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Right, you don't mind being sued for
not gonna
breaking.
cooperate, if you're not
I am cooperating. You are breaking UK law.
It's
6
written
months
on
I
your
prove the
receipt.
fault.
It's written on your
After 6
receipt.
months,
It's just
you
a
have
30
to.
days. It's just a 30
It's not
days.
30 days.
It's written on your receipt. I highlighted it already
Right,
for
you
you.
think it's 30
That's
days?
brand warranty, sir.
Right.
That has to be done by the
GoPro
brand.
have
That has to be done by
2 years
GoPro.
warranty,
Sir.
right? UK consumer law has 1 year on electronic things, right? 6 months, I don't have to prove the fault, right? After 6 months, I have to prove the fault.
That has to be done
I
by
proved to
brand.
you that the camera's dead, haven't I? I proved to you the camera's dead.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have, because I gave you this camera. I showed it to your colleague there.
Can you give me the reference number?
Excuse me. Did I not show you the camera was faulty? Okay, thank you. That'd do for me.